Hey guys, welcome to the 17th video of MATLAB programming tutorials. My name is Milan Shah and I am going to teach you some rounding functions used in MATLAB. So let's take matrix A which has some values like 1.4, 2.6, 3.3, 9.8, 5.5. Something went wrong, this comma. Okay, so now we have a matrix which has some values in point, or what you say, double precision or something like that. So first function for rounding is say 1. Now what this function is actually doing is it will rounding towards positive infinity. Now what does that mean? Let me press enter, so then I will show you. So rounding towards positive infinity. Now we have 1.4. In actual mathematics we will take this as only one. 2.6 means 3, 3.3 means 3, 9.8 means 10, and 5.5 means 4 or 6, or sorry, 5 or 6. But this will do positive infinity, rounding towards positive infinity, means whatever this point is, it will do 1.4, transfer it to 2. So there is rule in mathematics that if the values after that point is greater than or equal to 5, then and only then we can take increment of this value. But this will do the rounding towards positive infinity. Now the another function is fix and take input. See. Now what this function will do is it will rounding towards 0 is same as rounding towards negative infinity. It means 1.4 means 1, 2.6 means 2, here 2, here 3, 3.3 means 3, here 4, 9.8 means 9, here 10, and 5.5 means here 6, here 5. Why? Because this will do rounding towards positive infinity and this will do something like negative infinity. Now another function is floor A. This function is also like this function fix. It will round towards negative infinity. And compare the answer of this fix and floor: 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 9, 9, 5, 5. So these two functions are similar. Those will round towards negative infinity. This cell is something like rounding towards positive infinity. So these are the three functions which are used in matrix lab or MATLAB for rounding. Okay, so that's it for now. Till then, do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.